Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Tab of Giselle. In today's video, I'll be showing you my morning skincare routine. It's very nice and simple, and I use minimal products because I work 9 to 5, so I don't have a lot of time on my hands in the morning, and I just like to keep it really straightforward. So I'll be showing you all the products that I use. I'll put them in the description box below as always. And thank you guys for joining me. Please do not forget to like the video and share it with someone that does like this kind of content. I hope you guys are doing all fine, and thank you for joining me. Let's get started with the YouTube video. The first product that I'm going to be using is my cleanser. I like to use this Dermalogica clearing wash, and I've used this for so many years because it just does my skin good. I do suffer from combination skin, so sometimes I do break out, so I really find that this face wash really works amazingly for my pores, and it keeps everything really nice and clean. So I like to go in with that first thing when I start my skincare routine. The next products that I like to do after cleansing is using my Witch Hazel toner. I really love this. It helps with purifying my skin and also getting rid of any excess oils that build up into the skin, and also it just really helps to clean out my pores even further after doing my cleanse. So I really like to go in with that with a cotton pad. I just use one all over my face, and I go over my neck as well. In the morning for my serums, I like to use the vitamin C serum, and this is so good if you do suffer with like dark spots. It's really also good for anti-aging like signs. It's high in antioxidants, so really good for keeping your skin looking really nice and smooth, and the texture as well. It's also good with fine lines, so I really enjoy using this. I bought this from Amazon, and I bought it for £13, and it's just done some wonders to my face. My face looks brighter, it glows more, and also my pores feel nice and tight as well. So I definitely highly recommend for women of color to grab this if you do suffer from hyperpigmentation, because it's going to be so helpful for that, and also, you know, keeping the skin looking nice and young looking. And then once you finish using your serum, I go in with my moisturizer for the day. This is the moisturizer that I like to specifically use. Can't pronounce the name, but guys, it is such an amazing 3-in-1 moisturizer. You can use it for mask, you can use it as a makeup primer, and obviously for its actual purpose, which is moisturizing. Really helps with dry skin and keeping your skin looking really nice and smooth and nourished. So I love this, and it also doesn't make your skin become oily. So that is definitely one thing that I really love about this actual moisturizer. It is a godsend. And last but not least, I am going to be using my SPF. Please make sure to use SPF. It is a skin must, and it will definitely help to save your skin and help with not aging so quickly. It also helps to protect you from the sun and the UV lights that damage the skin. So please use SPF. If you do you know, have the problem of hyperpigmentation, this is going to be the one product or one thing you want to include in your skin routine is SPF. So make sure to use SPF 50 and upwards, because it's going to protect your skin. So I like to just apply like a tad bit, not too much. I use this one from Kiehls, and it is their ultra light daily UV defense, and really love this. It doesn't leave my skin with a white cast, so that is one reason why I really love this particular SPF. I've used many and it's just not worked out great. This one does not give me a ghost like cast after applying it, so really love this one. So what I just tend to do is I pat it into the skin, and then what I do after applying it on my face, I take a little bit and I put some on my neck as well, because you want to make sure you do everything that you do to your face, you do that to your neck, so you can preserve it. So I just go upward motion, just like that, and that is literally me ready for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me in my morning skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and also before I go, don't forget to catch up with all my treatments at home, because I've got loads of content for you guys on different things. So make sure to catch up on that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye dolls!